Ever wonder what happens behind the scenes of your favorite shows or what it takes to build a dream home in just 100 days? This week on Max, you can find out from intense culinary battles to a hilarious twist on period dramas. It's something for everyone. Let's dive into what's new starting Monday, March 2nd, and running through Sunday, March 8th. On Monday, March 2nd, the heat is on with Tournament of Champions. Guy Fieri hosts this high stakes culinary showdown where elite chefs face off in a sudden death bracket. A randomizer throws curveballs, dictating ingredients and cooking times, and blind judges decide who reigns supreme. It's a recipe for intense competition. Tuesday, March 3rd brings Bachelor Mansion Takeover. This series offers an exclusive look at the iconic residence synonymous with romance and drama. See the incredible transformations and logistical challenges involved in preparing the mansion for each new season. It's a peek behind the velvet rope. Wednesday, March 4th, Witness the Impossible with 100 Day Dream Home. Brian and Yuka Kleinschmidt take on the challenge of building custom homes from scratch in just 100 days. Well, it's a race against the clock, sort of combining design, real estate, and construction expertise. Can they deliver a dream home on time? Thursday, March 5th, go inside the world of law enforcement with feds. This documentary series, executive produced by Octavia Spencer, features firsthand accounts from FBI agents detailing complex investigations, from organized crime to financial fraud. You'll see how federal law enforcement operates. Friday, March 6th, prepare to laugh with Fackham Hall. This satirical period drama turns the tropes of the genre on their head, featuring hero finds Tiffin and Thomas Middleditch. It's a hilarious take on class, manners, and the chaos of life in a historic manor house. So many new options. I heard the set designers on Fackham Hall spent more time arguing over T-posies than actual set pieces. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,